So these few days, whatever I say, you better keep in mind. Huh? Okay, so this is a question that I said given y is equal to 2 plus cos pi by 6x, x between 0 to 40, for example. Okay, I say, using calculus, find the coordinates of its maximum and minimum point. It can be more than one, huh? Okay, so let me explain a little bit. The moment you say using calculus and with the word maximum, minimum, so you must have this in mind. So you have to find this first. Then you equate equal to 0. So you get 2 marks here. So that is called by using calculus. Then you start to solve. So can you take some time and do it? And the rest of it, you can use your graphic calculator to help you to determine whether it's a maximum or a minimum point. Are you clear? Okay. The question said by calculus, so everyone know, everyone will get 2 marks, but after your 2 marks, then you are stuck. So I have my y equal to 2 plus cos pi by 6x. Okay, so my dy dx, you differentiate 2, you get 0. You differentiate cos, you got negative sin. Write down the angle. Close. Time by the derivative of the angle. You make sure this is correct. Okay. Then after that, I put it equal to 0. So in this case, I got 2 marks already. That's by calculus. So now, the problem is now solving this. This one cannot be 0, correct? So therefore, I write down my sin pi by 6x equal to 0. So whenever you see sin cos or of an angle equal to 0 or equal to 1 or equal to negative 1, what must come out in your mind? I will straight away refer to my this. Correct? I will straight away refer to this. And the angle is 0. When the angle is 0, yes, you are right. Thank you. If the angle 0, that means cos 0 is 1. X coordinate of this point represent the cos of the angle. And the angle, I write it there. And you can go on second round. Correct? And you can keep going on and on. Okay, so now, and I told you that the X is between 0 and 40. Am I right? So now, so I will go one by one. Look, sin of this angle is equal to 0. So I look for the Y coordinate, which give me 0. That is here and here. Am I right? So I straight away write down my pi by 6x, this is my angle, equal to 0. So x equal to 0. Then second one, pi by 6x equal to pi. So my x equal to 6. So my x can go until 40, correct? So pi by 6x equal to 2 pi. So my x equal to 12. Pi by 6x is equal to 3 pi. So my x equal to 18. Can it go some more? Can. 18 only ma? So now you go third round. Here is 4 pi. Here plus 2 pi. Here will be 5 pi. Am I right? So my pi by 6x is equal to 4 pi. So you calculate your x equal to 24. My pi by 6x is equal to 5 pi. So my x equal to 30. Can it still go on? I think the last one is pi by 6x equal to 6 pi. So my x equal to 36. So for each x, you find your y. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stationary points. So every time when you meet this situation, you ask the help from here. And you want to know whether the point is a maximum or minimum, sketch the graph for this function y. Then you can jot it down whether it's a maximum or a minimum. Clear? So you can start to calculate your y by yourself. If I need to solve this, like for example, okay, for example, like that. Cos pi by 3x equal to negative half. Other than 0, negative 1, or 1. So in this case, I have to follow this step and do. If you can do it in your mind, you don't have to write down the working. So if you see equation like that, so first step, what must you do? You have to say, you have to cos, you have to find the acute angle first. Acute angle first, means when you find your acute angle, you don't care about the sign. You are looking for cos inverse half. Are you clear? So cos inverse half is a special angle, pi over 3. Correct? This is exact value. So after that, I have to ask myself this question. Cos of this angle pi by 3x, its value is negative. Here. All right. Therefore, angle pi by 3x is in which quadrant? Second and third. After ask all these questions, you have to refer to this. This is first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. All sin, tangent, cos are positive. The rest are negative. So if the angle is in first quadrant, then the value of that angle will be equal to the acute angle. Understand? If the angle lie in the second quadrant, the angle will be equal to pi minus the acute angle. If the angle is in the third quadrant, it will be pi plus the acute angle. If the angle is in fourth quadrant, the value will be 2 pi minus the acute angle. This is the first round. If you go second round, 2 pi plus acute angle, 3 pi plus minus acute angle, 3 pi plus acute angle, 4 pi minus acute angle. Understand? Very tired. Okay? So therefore, now I start to calculate. My pi by 3x will be equal to second quadrant pi minus the acute angle pi by 3. Am I right? Hello? So calculate. This is 2 pi by 3. So your x equal to 2. You go on and on until you finish up the whole thing. So fourth quadrant, a third quadrant, your pi by 3x is equal to pi plus pi by 3. Your acute angle happen to be pi by 3. Understand? So your x will be equal to 4. And you can go on and on. Are you okay? Do you get me? So you repeat. Keep looking at this one. And until the value is less than 20. So please remember this. Or write this one down in your notes. Okay, I do everyone for you. So now I go second round. My pi by 3x is equal to 3 pi minus pi by 3. So x is equal to 8. So my angle pi by 3x is equal to 3 pi plus the acute angle pi by 3. So my x is equal to 10. So then you go third round. My pi by 3x is equal to 5 pi minus pi by 3. So my x equal to 4 minus 14. My pi by 3x equal to 5 pi plus pi by 3. So my x equal to 16. Are you clear? So I think that is the last one. Okay. So do you get me?